Welcome back, guys. So today we're going to be doing some chicken wings on our pit boss. My name is RJ and this is Beginners Barbecue Outdoors. Alright guys, so here you have it. We have some chicken wings in the bag. We have our red hot, and the rub that we're going to be using today is the Malcolm's Jamming Jerk. This is made for chicken, and I think it's going to add some great flavor to this chicken. Now here's our little bowl that we're going to be mixing. And then we also got our cooking grates here. So let's go ahead and get into this. We're going to go ahead and open this. So we're going to add, and just to be safe, I'm going to put another set of gloves. Went ahead and throw away the bag. So the wings are still a little cold, a little frozen. So we have here Malcolm's Jamming Jerk. We're going to go ahead and add it to our chicken. We're going to get it all nice and mixed. They're nice and seasoned. And we're going to go ahead and put them in these. All right, and there you have it. All right, so here we have our chicken. So a lot of the things that goes around with smoked chicken on the pellet grill is the skin. A lot of people try to do crispy, and there's many ways out there that they say do this to make it crispy. But as you know, having a pit boss, you have that luxury of cooking this over fire. So we're gonna be doing that to get that skin crispy. We'll be adding a little bit of vegetable oil when we start to do that process to cook over the fire, and that should help it really crisp up. And I'm looking forward to trying these because I think it's gonna be really good. We're gonna have our pit boss at 275. Now it's gonna be a 2-part process, 275, and then we're gonna crank it up a little bit. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our pit boss. All right, our pit boss is at 275. We'll be back in 1 hour. All right, it's been 1 hour. And they're almost there, not quite. We're gonna go ahead and give a nice flip. Not quite. We'll be back in another 30 minutes. All right, another 30 minutes have passed. All right, 165 around there. So now we're gonna turn up our pit boss to 400 degrees, and then we're gonna add a little bit of vegetable oil to get that crisp going. So while the temp goes up, we're gonna go ahead and do this to all of them. Go ahead and open this up, and let's start to crisp up our skin. Go ahead and close it. Leave it like that for another 10 minutes. All right, we're back. Let's see where we're at. That's where we want to be, at least 175. So we're going to bring these out. All right, we're back. So these have been sitting here for at least 10 minutes. Before we get into this, have a quick recap of what we did today. right, so let's go ahead and add these to our bowl. So add the sauce, but they are smelling really good. We have a nice char to them. Now we're gonna add some sauce. Now some good old, let's sauce them up. All right, so the moment we all been waiting for, these look phenomenal. Now, do they taste the way they look? Find out. You have that hint of that char, and I love it. That on chicken, there's a bone. The jam and jerk, it's not bad. Not bad at all. These ones come out pretty good. My son's gonna love these. Remember, if you guys don't have that option of cooking them over fire, once you hit it at 400 degrees, so pretty much once you hit that 165, then you can turn it up to 400 degrees and then just leave it there for a good 15 to 20 minutes. The temperature towards the end, after it's all done, you want it to be at least 175 to be done. But if you add a little bit of vegetable oil and crank that up, you should be good to go. But man, these came out great. Make sure you guys hit that like, hit that subscribe. Also, if it's your first time, you always want to make sure you keep checking your time like every 30 minutes. Now, the times that I give you guys is kind of something to go by, but sometimes your grill might be hotter than others. So if it's your first time, just keep checking your chicken at least about an hour, just like I did. See you guys next time.